when you're condemning Israel equally as you are condemning the people who want to push it into the sea and who are lobbing rockets into it every single day. I mean, there's no moral relativism here. Let me read to you the text of the final motion, and you tell me what you think. The motion said, be it resolved that the NDP condemns the present violations of United Nations resolutions and international laws by both sides of this conflict. Be it resolved, the NDP condemns President Trump's decision to recognize Jerusalem as the capital of Israel, which is divisive, hinders the peace process, and runs contrary to international law and numerous UN Security Council and General Assembly resolutions. There's more. Be it further resolved that the NDP reaffirms the determination to work with partners at home and abroad to achieve peace and justice for Israel and Palestine within a framework of respect for United Nations resolutions and international law. This includes recognition of the rights of both Israelis and Palestinians to live in peace in independent states with negotiated and agreed upon borders. That's the end of the resolution. It seems like there's a lot of conflation between the rights of Israelis to defend themselves with this so-called right of Palestinians to lob rockets at Israeli school children.
Yes. Now, they're talking the Hamas situation in Gaza. I watched that very, very closely because I noticed in that what you sent me about those resolutions. I watched that very, very closely, and I have for a number of years. The Hamas use their people as human shields.
That's an excerpt from my weekly full-length show, The Gun Show. On my show, I take on the issues of the day through my Alberta conservative lens, and I talk to the real newsmakers the mainstream media ignores. To get access to my show and all of our other premium content, click the link on the screen to subscribe today.